Step into the future of kitchen design with our electrifying showcase of 2024's hottest trends. Get ready to unleash creativity and transform your space. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned. Hello everybody, and welcome to our new video on modern kitchen design ideas for 2024. Transform your space with style and functionality. Today, we're diving into the latest trends and innovations that can elevate your kitchen to a whole new level. Modern kitchen design isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about creating a space that works seamlessly for your daily life, whether it's cooking, entertaining, or simply enjoying time with family. By incorporating the right elements, you can achieve a kitchen that's not only stylish, but also highly functional. So, let's explore these exciting ideas together and see how you can transform your kitchen into a modern masterpiece. One of the key trends in modern kitchen design for 2024 is the use of sustainable materials. Gone are the days of choosing materials purely for their looks. Today, homeowners are prioritizing eco-friendly options that align with their values. Materials like bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled glass are gaining popularity for countertops, cabinets, and flooring. Bamboo, for instance, is a rapidly renewable resource that's known for its durability and natural beauty. It's an excellent choice for countertops and flooring due to its strength and resistance to moisture. Reclaimed wood adds character to kitchen cabinets while reducing environmental impact by repurposing materials. Similarly, using recycled glass in countertops not only creates a stunning visual effect but also reduces waste by giving new life to old materials. By incorporating sustainable materials into your kitchen design, you not only contribute to a greener planet but also create a unique and stylish space that reflects your commitment to sustainability. Modern kitchens are embracing smart appliances, revolutionizing how we cook and interact with our spaces. From refrigerators with built-in cameras for remote viewing to ovens that can be controlled via smartphone apps, these appliances offer convenience and efficiency like never before. Imagine preheating your oven on your way home or checking the contents of your fridge while at the store. With energy-efficient operation and intuitive controls, smart appliances are reshaping the kitchen experience. In modern kitchen design for 2024, the minimalist approach is gaining traction. This style focuses on clean lines, open spaces, and a clutter-free environment. By minimizing unnecessary elements, you create a sleek and functional kitchen that feels spacious and organized. One key aspect of minimalist design is the use of integrated storage solutions. Cabinets and drawers are designed to hide away kitchen essentials, maintaining a tidy appearance. Countertops are kept clear of clutter, with only essential items on display. Another characteristic of minimalist kitchens is the emphasis on quality over quantity. Each element, from countertops to appliances, is carefully selected for its functionality and visual appeal. This approach creates a harmonious and balanced space that's both calming and practical. Open shelving is a popular trend in modern kitchens, replacing traditional upper cabinets for a more airy and personalized look. By displaying decorative items and essentials, it adds character while encouraging organization and reducing clutter. This design choice can make even a small kitchen feel more spacious and inviting by allowing light to flow freely and creating a visually interesting focal point. Modern kitchens are embracing integrated technology to enhance convenience and functionality. From built-in charging stations to wireless speakers and USB ports, technology is seamlessly integrated into the kitchen space. One key aspect is the incorporation of smart appliances that offer advanced features such as touchless controls, voice commands, and connectivity to smartphones. These appliances make tasks like cooking, cleaning, and organization more efficient and enjoyable. Additionally, integrated technology extends to lighting and entertainment systems. Smart lighting fixtures can be programmed to create different moods and ambience, while built-in speakers provide an immersive audio experience for cooking or entertaining. With technology seamlessly integrated into the kitchen design, homeowners can enjoy a more connected and efficient living space that caters to their modern lifestyle. The concept of multifunctional islands has become increasingly popular in modern kitchen design. These islands are more than just additional countertop space, they serve multiple purposes to enhance the functionality of the kitchen. One aspect of multifunctional islands is their role as a prep area. They offer ample space for meal preparation, chopping vegetables, and assembling ingredients, making cooking tasks more efficient and organized. Moreover, these islands often double as a breakfast bar or dining area, providing a casual and inviting space for family meals or quick snacks. They can be designed with seating options such as stools or chairs, creating a seamless transition from cooking to dining. Storage is another key feature of multifunctional islands. They can incorporate cabinets, drawers, and shelves to store cookware, utensils, and pantry items, keeping everything within easy reach and reducing clutter in the main kitchen area. Some advanced multifunctional islands even integrate built-in appliances like wine coolers, microwaves, or additional sinks, further enhancing their utility and convenience. By incorporating a multifunctional island into your kitchen design, you can optimize space, improve workflow, and create a central hub for cooking, dining, and socializing in your home. Statement lighting fixtures are a hallmark of modern kitchen design, adding both functionality and style to the space. These fixtures serve as focal points while illuminating different areas of the kitchen effectively. Pendant lights, for example, can be used to highlight a kitchen island or dining area, providing focused task lighting while also adding a touch of elegance. Chandeliers are another option for creating a dramatic statement, especially in larger kitchens or dining spaces. Track lighting offers flexibility by allowing you to direct light precisely where it's needed, making it ideal for highlighting specific features or work areas. Additionally, under-cabinet lighting can enhance visibility on countertops and add a subtle ambience to the kitchen. The key is to choose lighting fixtures that complement the overall design theme and provide adequate illumination for cooking, dining, and other activities. By incorporating statement lighting into your kitchen design, you can elevate the aesthetic appeal while improving functionality and ambience. In modern kitchen design for 2024, bold colors and patterns are making a statement. Homeowners are moving away from traditional neutral palettes and embracing vibrant hues and eye-catching patterns to add personality and visual interest to their kitchens. Bold colors like navy blue, emerald green, and terracotta are popular choices for cabinetry, accent walls, or kitchen islands. These colors create a sense of depth and richness, making the kitchen a dynamic and inviting space. In addition to colors, patterns are also playing a significant role in modern kitchens. Geometric tiles, graphic wallpapers, and artistic backsplashes are being used to create focal points and add texture to the design. The key to incorporating bold colors and patterns is balance. Pairing bold elements with neutral tones or using them selectively as accents can prevent the space from feeling overwhelming. This approach allows you to express your style while maintaining a cohesive and harmonious look. By embracing bold colors and patterns in your kitchen design, you can create a vibrant and personalized space that reflects your unique taste and adds a contemporary flair to your home. As we conclude our exploration of modern kitchen design ideas for 2024, we invite you to take these inspiring concepts and turn them into reality in your own home. Whether you're planning a complete kitchen renovation or a simple refresh, these ideas can elevate your space to new heights of functionality and style. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with friends or family who might also benefit from these design tips. Subscribe to our channel for more home design inspiration, tips, and trends. By incorporating sustainable materials, embracing smart technology, exploring minimalist design, incorporating open shelving, integrating advanced technology, utilizing multifunctional islands, choosing statement lighting, and playing with bold colors and patterns, you can create a modern kitchen that's not only beautiful but also tailored to your lifestyle. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing your modern kitchen transformations.